Donuts did not help that whole scenario at all. Yeah. Lauren, leave that one.
It's a video.
Go here. What's up?
I gotta pee.
I do too.
So bad. So stream down there is not going to help it.
Should have taken it easy on the coffee.
I know.
Did you know coffee has it has some ingredients that act as an antihistamine? Did you know that?
Really?
I just learned that from another guy who just left here. Because I'm stuffy, that's why.
I know it's good for your liver.
Yeah.
Is it?
Coffee?
Yeah.
Is it really good for you?
Yeah.
So you mean I can have like 8 Jack Daniels and 2 coffees? Okay?
I do.
Coming at you.
There's something in it
Go
that
right there.
does something to your liver. I can't remember what it is, but it's good for
Okay.
it.
All right. If you guys are gonna lean like that, make sure you weight your harness and you're gonna lean back. Yep.
Squat.
Oh, no. But that means you. What are you doing hanging on to the yellow thing then? All right. Go ahead and crawl yourselves off and zip away.